Okay, this is Module 3 review. Let's see what you remember from the chapter. Describe what it means for two numbers to be reciprocals or multiplicative inverses. If you're doing this, it's on page 99 and page 100. So we're going to select it. Two numbers are reciprocals or multiplicative inverses when their blank product is 1. Let's check it. You can also do the hints too. Number 2, give an example of two numbers that are reciprocals or multiplicative inverses. So we have 4 and 1/4. And this one. Okay, number 3. Which number sentences are true? Select all that apply. So we got this guy. And we have this one right here. Be careful because it could be in a different order than mine. Okay, we need to get out some work. Where is my... We need to get out some work paper, so make sure you're doing that for this one. So we're going to take 1 2/3, and we're going to multiply it by 2 4/5. So I need to change these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So 3, 4, 5, 5 over 3, 10, 14 over 5. I'm going to cross cancel our 5s out because they're going to equal 1, and we get 14 over 3. Let's change that into a mixed number. So 3 times 4 is 12. We subtract that and we get 4 2/3. So let's put that right over here. Okay, if we check it out, you should get that right. Let's move on to our next one. A piece of wood was 12 feet long. Kendra cut the wood into pieces of 2/3 foot long. How many pieces does Kendra make? So what we're going to be doing is 12. So we're taking 12 and we're going to divide it by 2/3. So we're going to bring 12 down as 12 over 1. Division changes to multiplication, and we're going to flip the second one. I'm going to cancel my 2 into 1 and my 12 into 6 because 2 goes into 12 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. So we're going to be clicking 18 for our answer. Next, we're going to do 2/3 divided by 3/5, but we're actually not going to solve it. We're just going to say what the expression is equivalent to. So we're going to flip the 3/5 to 5/3. So 2 over 3 times 5/3. Be careful which one you click. Next, Mitchell spent 1 3/4 hours at the doctor's office and a total of 1.5 hours driving to and from the appointment. Which expression shows the total number of hours Mitchell spent away from his home? So we're going to be choosing 1 3/4 plus 1.5 because they're asking us the total. On 5 days of every week, Jackie runs 2.5 miles in the morning. How many total miles does Jackie run every week? So we're going to take 2.5, and we're multiplying by 5 over 1. Change the mixed number to an improper fraction. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 times 1 is 2. We're going to change that into an improper fraction. Or sorry, into a mixed number. It is an improper fraction. We get 12 1/2. Next, Andy rode his bicycles 2 4/5 miles on Monday and 1 3/10 on Tuesday. And what they want us to do first is get a common denominator. So I know that my common denominator is going to be 10, so I'm going to multiply this one by 2. So I get 2 and 8 over 10. So on Monday, we have 2 and 8 tenths. On Tuesday, we're still going to have 1 and 3 tenths because that's the denominator we're going to use. Then down here, we're going to add them together. So I have 2 and 8 tenths plus 1 and 3 tenths. I get 3, 8, 9, 10, 11 over 10. 11 over 10 is going to be 1 and 1 tenth. Then I need to add the 3 to it, so I get 4 and 1 tenth. Next. Okay, we're going to do some dragging here. This is going to equal 6. The GCF of 120 and 20 is 20. I use the GCF to write the quotient as blank or as the whole number 6. And I guess up here they wanted 120 over 20. So that's what we got there. Okay,